Hey guys, what's up? Instagram lets you have multiple different accounts on your different Instagram mobile app, so you could easily and quickly switch between accounts without having to log out of one and log in into the other one. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add and use multiple Instagram accounts on the same app, up to 7 accounts. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up the Instagram mobile application. Now as you guys can see that this is my personal account, and now if I tap on my profile picture icon and then I'll tap on the three little lines, go to settings and privacy. Here if I scroll down to the bottom, I'll see the option of add account, so you have to tap on that. Now it will ask you to log into an existing account or create a new account. You can select any one of the option according to your preference. If I'm going to select login into existing account, now it will show you all of the account that are present in my phone, so you can log in into any of the account. If your account is not showing here, you have to tap on switch account at the bottom left and you can enter username and password. I'm going to simply log in into this account. Now as you guys can see that I haven't logged out of my previous account and my new account has been logged in. So if I want to switch it to my previous account, I'll simply tap and hold on my profile picture icon. It will show you all of the account that are linked in this phone. So if you want to switch quickly, you simply have to tap 2 times on your profile picture and it will switch to your account. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.